Welcome to Simple Physics. In today's session, we see about the commutation relation. Already you know that any two operators A, B can be written in commutation form in this way. A of AB minus BA. Similarly, we will see the commutation relation between the position operator X as well as the X component of momentum operator P. So in a similar manner, we can write this as XPX minus PXX. Okay, so X should be written as it is, and PX, the operator form of this PX is IH cross dou by dou X, and here also you substitute for PX minus IH cross dou by dou X. Already a minus sign is here, so this becomes plus IH cross dou by dou X, and the function is found to be X. So the first term becomes 0, and here in the second term you can see this operator dou by dou X operates on this position operator, and this value becomes 1. So finally the solution for this commutation relation X comma Px is nothing but it is IH cross. Similarly, we can prove the commutation relation between y component of the momentum operator P is equal to IH cross. In the same way, we can also prove the position operator Z along with the Z component of momentum operator P is also equal to IH cross. In this way, we can prove these two also. In the previous commutation relation, we have seen the components are found to be same. That is, if the position component is X, the momentum component that is also X. If the position component is Y, then the momentum component that is also Y. If it is so, we have seen the solution as IH cross. But here you have seen the position component is X and the momentum component is found to be Y. It is found to be entirely different. So here also Y position component, the momentum component is found to be Z. So Z along with the X component of P. So all these leads to the value 0. Now we will see the explanation. So X as well as Py, they are found to be commutating with one another. So we can write XPy minus PYX. So we can write this X as it is, and then the expression for this Py in the operator form is minus IH cross dou by dou Y. Similarly, substitute for this Py in the operator form, there is minus IH cross dou by dou Y of X. And you see there is no meaning in writing like this. So if the component is found to be same, we can differentiate. Since here the components are found to be different, so the two terms automatically become 0. So summation of these two terms leads to 0. So if the components are found to be different, then the commutation relation between the position as well as the momentum component is found to be equal to 0. In this way we can prove this. Now we will see the commutation relation between the momentum operator itself. So these are the two components of the momentum operator, there is Px as well as Py. Similarly, Py commutation relation between Py and Pz, Pz and Px. For all these, the value is 0. So if the components are found to be of same operator, then we can easily put the value as 0. Similarly, here you can see even if the operators are having the same component, if the operator belong to the same group, then the commutation relation of all those operators, that is also found to be equal to 0. Now I will give another example. What happens if the position of these two operators are interchanged? So initially we have seen the commutation relation between X along with Px is found to be equal to IH cross. So here only the position is found to be changed, that is Px along with X. So here we can write the commutation relation like this, Pxx minus Xpx as before. And now substituting the operator form of this Px, that is minus IH cross dou by dou X, put this X as it is, minus X, and then the operator form of Px minus IH cross dou by dou X. So all you know that the operator dou by dou X, when it operates on this X, the value is found to be 1. So minus